not going to work, big brother. I'm going to laugh. I'm going to laugh. Too much. Let's go. I apologise, guys, but I cannot help it. I laughed once. No, this is a whole different ball game. Big Brother's playing hard.
Just sit down.
And apparently I've got to keep my pecker up.
I'm actually going to go to the toilet.
What?
What? Would you ever have? Would you ever fix it?
What are you? What is that?
I'm not allowed.
Oh no, please don't come over here.
Couple bits of toilet roll bottom, couple bits of roast. I need to press and get the liquid out of it.
Oh right.
Should
Okay.
do.
So do you tofu much? Not ordinary.
Arron, what? You're obsessed with Connor. Do you want to stroke him? Oh, cheeky. I laugh so hard when I look at myself. I've got to not look in the mirror.
The legs is a funny bit.
Yeah.
Because they look like your legs.
Let me see how funny this actually looked when I did it to Big Brother.
You, when you make the legs swing when you walk, it looks like your legs.
So I give him the middle finger.
You know when you walk, like bounce a bit so the legs go out.
Yeah, it's all right, this. Bro, I can't even laugh myself.
Yeah, but are you supposed to make us laugh?
I'm not allowed to, I've got to keep the head bobbing around.
Right.
I'm not allowed to sit down, I've got to keep like walking around.
You gotta keep walking around.
Apparently this is what you was like when they walked into the bathroom.
Why are you making jokes? Like, why are you making jokes? It's hard enough. I find the toilet roll more funnier than that because you see that every day. The toilet roll was like.
Birds trying to communicate with me.
Where do you ever see someone dressed up as a toilet roll? You know what I mean? And that's why whenever I seen you, I came straight out here. You know what I mean?
For the camera. Yeah, just go for a drink, right?
Yeah.